So I have this large bowl here that we're going to be glazing, and we're going to be glazing it with Amico's Rive Rock. Now, when I'm glazing large bowls, I always love to use my banding wheel here, because then you can let the banding wheel do the hard work. Always give that glaze a nice good shake, and we're going to pour this in here. My light bulb just fell out of the, oh no. I can only imagine what it looks like inside. It must be dangling by the wire. That can't be good. Oh no, that is not good. I'll be right back. And to start, we're gonna pour this glaze into the inside of the bowl. And then we're actually going to use the banding wheel with a large brush. So use this brush here. I usually start in the center and just kind of work my way out to the edges of the bowl here as I spin it on the banding wheel. This gets us a nice even coat all the way out to the edge. Now, once we're done with that portion of the bowl, we'll actually flip around on the banding wheel, do the bottom, clean up and sponge the bottom, and then it goes in the kiln. And that's a simple way to glaze your bowl, especially if you do not have a large amount of glaze to dip the bowl. You can use these little pint jars and pretty effectively glaze a bowl really quickly.